all need to act responsibly as people. We don't engage in an agriculture system or process which destroys the land. We don't need to engage in activities that destroy the land. So responsible agriculture practices or smart agriculture practices are very important. Now we also need to take steps to educate people, to let them understand the need for us to sustain the land that we have.
A lot of women in Ghana is a bit of challenge because it's a patriarchal society predominantly. So for us to be able to get more of women to be able to access land, we need to have an effective conversation with our traditional leaders. And in other areas, we call them the Tindanes who own land. So that when we are able to negotiate with them, women would be able to get lots and bigger plots of land to be able to engage. For now, a lot of them depend on family lands, a lot of them depend on lands of their husbands. We've made some minimal progress. I think that a lot more needs to be done so that women who are into farming could be able to get larger acreage of land so that they can increase their production. In other areas of vegetable, maize, and other export products, I think that we've seen some minimal progress as well, and in that area, we want and we are working with youth in agriculture to support them so that they can also be part of it. Agriculture generally was not friendly to the youth because of the low technology involved, but the government is doing everything possible to get more youth into agriculture so that it will be youth friendly and more women, and the general society would also benefit.
I gained a lot of experience on the learning platform. Initially we didn't even know that there are certain soils that require certain seeds to be sown there. So all these things, wherever we get, we will come and plant and sow our corn, we will come and sow our millet and whatever. But with this platform, we're told that no, before you do ABZ, let the experts come and then examine the soil and then prescribe appropriate seeds for that particular place. This is one. And of course, we also noticed that they were able to develop a lot of crops which would be able to withstand long drought, or which will be able to survive long drought. All these things we didn't know. So we will plant, and then at the end of the day, we'll come and then jettison everything and then replant again. But this time, no. They told us that this kind of, you can use this seeds. It is suitable for this weather, and then it is suitable for this particular soil. So all these things, I learned it from the learning platform.
The challenges plaguing sub-Saharan Africa's agricultural systems is key. The seminar is